Chimpanzee is the animal with the largest brain in the order primates, only after humans. Chimpanzees have the ability to use tools, learn sign language, recognize themselves, and have complex emotions. Dolphins. As animals with the largest brains in the animal kingdom, dolphins are very intelligent and extremely friendly. They can be taught to interact with humans through signs and body language. We can recognize whether a dolphin is happy or sad through its gestures and calls. Besides, this is a rare animal that can recognize itself when looking in the mirror. Octopuses are not only the strangest animals on the planet, but they are also excellent hunters. Introduced many times in Discovery and Nat Geo television programs, this creature has the ability to camouflage so well that it is almost invisible to threats and can then easily be overturned. Position, turning those who are chasing him into a delicious lunch. African gray parrots are the most intelligent of all domestic birds. African gray parrots not only have the ability to imitate human voices but can also understand the meaning of the words they say. They can also solve simple math problems and use tools to get food.